everyone, this is Ayushi Jain and welcome back to my channel Fix Your English with Ayushi. Today's video is going to be about the what to do after class 12 PCB. Basically, this video is going to be about the medical and non-medical courses after 12th PCB stream. So without further ado, let's start the video. Before going into the video, make sure you have subscribed to my channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video to everyone. So let's begin. To get the admissions in medical colleges after 12th, you have to appear for any medical entrance exams like NEET, AIMS, JIPMER, etc. NEET exam is conducted by Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE to get admission in various MBBS, BDS and Ayush courses. Following are the medical courses which you can do after 12th PCB. So the first one is MBBS, that is Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. The second course is BDS, that is Bachelor of Dental Surgery. The third course is BHMS, that is Bachelor of Homeopathy Medicine and Surgery. The fourth one is BAMS, that is Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. The fifth one is BUMS, that is Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery. The career options after 12th Science PCB in medical graduate subjects. So the first one is BSc in Anthropology. The second one is BSc in Veterinary Science. The third one is B.Pharma or Pharmacy. The fourth one is BSc in Nursing. The fifth one is BSc in Physiotherapy. The sixth one is BSc in Medical Science. The next course is BSc in Speech and Language Therapy. The next course is BSc in Rehabilitation Therapy. The next course is BSc in Occupational Therapy. The next one is BSc in Audiology. The next course is BSc in MLT Medical Technology. The next course is BSc in Biomedical Science. The next course is BSc in Bioinformatics. The next course is BSc in Biochemistry. The next course is BSc in Biotechnology. The next course is BSc in Microbiology. The next course is BSc in Genetics. The next course is in Biology after 12th except MBBS graduate courses. So some of the courses are BSc in Botany. The next course is BSc in Zoology. The next course is BSc in Home Science. The next course is BSc in Environmental Science. The next course is BSc in Agriculture. The next course is BSc in Food Technology. The next course is BSc in Horticulture. The next course is BSc in Fisheries. The next course is BSc in Food Technology. The next course is BSc in Radiology. The next course is BSc in Nutrition and Diet. Career option for PCB students in research areas. So some of the topics for research are as follows. You can do research in biochemistry, biophysics, cell biology, computational biology, conservation biology, developmental biology, ecology, evolution, genetics, marine biology, microbiology, molecular biology, microbiology, neurobiology, physiology, plant biology, population biology. So some of the government job career option for PCB graduate students are as follows. You can get jobs in government hospitals, civil services, teaching field, armed forces, banking sector, railway, police, SSC exams, and many more. And private jobs for career options for students of uh, PCB graduates can get jobs in private banks and insurance companies, private hospitals, teaching fields, lab technicians, independent researchers, CSL Limited, and many more. So I hope now you have get idea what to decide for your graduation. So yeah, if you find this information useful and worthy to select a good, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video to every student who needs it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye.